Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another video of amazing and sumptuous delicious breakfast I am going to share today. Did you guys miss the restaurant breakfast? If so, bring the restaurant to your home and fancy up or level up your breakfast. We used to go to the restaurant for breakfast and or for dinner prior to the pandemic and in between when the restriction is lifted up. So the next clip you're going to see is when we went to our favorite breakfast restaurant. So at the restaurant, we've ordered fresh orange juice and other delicious sumptuous breakfast. These are my kids. Sorry, we are not showing or we are not exposing them to social media yet. Not this time, maybe one day. So this is what kids got. We've got waffle loaded with fruit and whipping cream. And then we've got sausages. And mine is egg benedict with salmon with the sides of salad and crispy potato. I don't know, I forgot what it's called, but it is crispy. Yeah, so it was delicious. They are a famous breakfast restaurant near where we live. This is our to-go breakfast restaurant, guys. So after a month or so, we've wanted to go back to the restaurant, but because of the new pandemic restriction has been in place, we just couldn't go. So we're like, why don't we make it ourselves? Why don't we fancy our breakfast at home? Yeah, so this is where like, okay, let's make it. So I am making a waffle here. Waffle yeast with yeast. Yeasted waffle, or I don't know how you call that, because there are yeast waffle and there's also like baking powder waffle. They are different in texture, definitely. So I am making the waffle with yeast ingredients. Yeah, anyway, so here now you can see I am proofing it. Yeah, it took like about I don't remember, guys. This video has been taken like long time ago. I think 4 months ago or 3 months ago. Yeah. So basically, if you're going to use yeast, you have to proof your batter, right? Yeah. So now it has been like proofed for I don't know how long. I have to review the recipe. I'm gonna write it in the description box. So just check it, guys. Okay, you'll see it there. Here we go, guys. Our waffle maker is now ready. And now we're gonna pour in our batter, waffle batter. I love this waffle maker, guys, because you don't need to spray it with oil or butter. It won't stick. So it's like non-stick waffle maker. Yeah, I love this so much. I have another one on my previous video. If you want to see it, I'm going to put the link on the description box. But that waffle batter is not made of yeast. Yeah, so it was made with baking powder. So my waffle maker, it was different. It was a stovetop waffle maker, but I didn't really like it, so I threw it away and I got this one, electric and non-stick.
And I need a pen.
So when you see this bright blue color, it means the waffle is ready. But I also set it to, I think, 2 minutes. Yeah, you can set it to 3 if you want crispy top, or 3 or 4 minutes. I don't know if it's not minutes, guys, I'm not sure, but it has the label there. If you see, if you notice, it has 2 or 3, 4, 5, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so you can choose which minutes or which label or level you wanted to put it in. Yeah, so by the way, if you see this rim kind of thing, it is to prevent the waffle batter from overflowing. Yeah, you just have to make sure that you don't put too much into the maker so that it won't overflow. It is so beautiful, guys. I love it. See, look at the color. Yeah, so I adjusted the batter that I put. I added a little bit more so that it will be all filled. Yeah, look at this. This is what I'm talking about, guys. The, how do you call that? The rim around the waffle maker. It's to prevent the batter from overflowing. Yeah, love this. How do you like your waffle, guys? Do you like it crispy top or crispy side, something like that? Or you want it soft? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below whether you like it crispy or soft. I personally like soft, especially when it's for breakfast. But when it's for ice cream sandwich, then I would cook it a little bit more to make it hard or crispy. So we are done making the waffle, guys, and here is my toppings. I have strawberries, bananas, and kiwi. At the restaurant, they have oranges, cantaloupe, honeydew, but I don't have those. That's okay. And then I also have fresh passion fruit juice. I don't have orange juice at the moment. So it's just like that, guys. You can fancy up breakfast at your home. It's very easy, guys. You just have to top all the fruits that you have into the waffle and then sprinkle it with powdered sugar. But I don't have a whipping cream, guys. That was too bad. But anyway, that is okay if you don't have whipping cream. You don't have to put whipping cream, you know. Yeah, so I just instead put drizzle it with chocolate syrup or chocolate ganache. Yeah, so I made that chocolate ganache myself at home. Yes, because I don't also have chocolate syrup. I don't really buy chocolate syrup. So yeah, and then I also added a little bit of condensed milk, but that is optional, guys. It's up to you if you want to. You can put honey or butter, you know. Yeah, fancy up, fancy up, level it up. So here we go, guys, our fancy restaurant breakfast at home. Bring the restaurant to your home, guys. Yes, that's what it is. It's so delicious. Yes. And I have breakfast sauces too, guys. This is so like it makes me weak, guys. I just wanted to run to the restaurant and eat this. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to bring the restaurant to your home. Make fancy breakfast at home. Level it up. Goodbye. See you next time.